Let's make an onion syrup. I was having a conversation with another cocktail maker friend of mine, and he said that you can make a syrup out of anything if you're brave enough. So I thought to myself, challenge accepted. Let's make an onion syrup. So I did what I normally do with all my syrup recipes. I looked them up online, and I was blown away by how many onion syrup recipes there were out there. Apparently, onion syrup is something of a home remedy for ills that ail you. I'm not going to vouch for any of them because I've not done my research on it. If you want to make onion syrup and use it to cure a cold or do whatever you want to do, feel free to do so. But I do not vouch for this in any way, shape, or form. I'm going to use it in a cocktail. Because there were so many recipes for onion syrup online, I had to boil it down, pun intended, to exactly what I wanted to make. And I just wanted onion flavor. A lot of these other syrups had different herbs and stuff in there to make it more medicinal. I just want the onion flavor, so that's what I'm going to do. And the proportions are important. A lot of them have a 1:1:1 ratio, so that's what I'm going to use. 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup sugar, and 1 cup water, or parts if you'd rather use parts. It works perfectly here. So I've got a red onion. You can use any type of onion that you like. I like red. We're going to use that. I'm going to chop it. I'm going to chop it off camera in case I lose a finger, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm not crying. I'm not crying. You're crying. I'm going to now measure my chopped onions. I didn't do a fine chop as I can't see anymore. I've got a measuring utensil. Let's see if I can get this in here. Yes, I'm using my hands. We'll boil the germs off. Oh, we've got a lot of onion here. So it looks about 2 cups chopped onion. So I'll add this to my saucepan. I'll get 2 cups of water and I'll be right back with you. 2 cups of water later, I'm going to add this to the onions. I'm going to pick up the rest of these and I'll see you at the stovetop. At the stovetop here, I'm going to bring the onions to a boil over a medium heat. I'll be right back with you. Now that the onions are boiling, give it a quick stir. I'm going to reduce the heat and I'm going to let them simmer until the onions are tender. So it can be around 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see in a little bit. So it's been about 20 minutes. The onions are pretty tender. I've not tried them with my teeth, but I assume they're tenderer than they were before. So I'm going to reduce the heat, in fact, turn the heat off. And I'm going to transfer them into another saucepan, straining out the solids. If you're a cook or a chef of some sort and know what to do with these onions, you can certainly use them for some sort of cooking project. I am not a cook and I don't know what to use these for, so unfortunately they're just going to get tossed. So now we're going to add our sugar to our onion water. And since we had 2 cups of onion and 2 cups of water, we've got 2 cups of sugar. Turn on some heat. Low and slow is the way I like to do my syrups. So I'm going to do a medium-low. I'm going to stir until the sugar dissolves. I'll be right back with you. Now that the sugar has dissolved, I'm going to remove it from the heat. And I'm going to allow it to sit and cool to room temperature. I'll be right back with you. Now that our onion syrup is cool to room temperature, there's only one thing left to do, and that is to bottle, label, and refrigerate. So let's bottle 1. And we'll label it with our masking tape. If you have fancy labels, you can use fancy labels. So tape first. Oh, I got a little drip down the side. Oh well. So we have onion. 1 to 1 to 1. And today's date is Friday the 13th of March. And there you have it. Onion syrup. Enjoy. Now, you might be wondering what this tastes like. Let's give it a go. It tastes like onion. Question of the day, what would you use an onion syrup for? I've got my ideas what I'm going to do with it. I'd love to hear yours. Leave any recipe ideas you have down in the comments and maybe we'll give it a go, especially if they're rum-based. Note there, I always support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. And if you want a t-shirt, all you have to do is go down to any of the social media links down below, contact me through them, and we'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.